To maximize your T-Mobile home internet speed and reliability, focus on two key factors: signal bars and band locking. Start by placing your T-Mobile gateway near a window or exterior wall with a clear line of sight to T-Mobile cell towers. Use the T-Mobile app to monitor signal bars as you move the gateway around. Aim for 4 or 5 bars for optimal performance. Higher bars indicate a stronger signal, leading to better speeds and fewer disconnections. Avoid placing the gateway near metal objects, microwaves, or dense walls, as these can obstruct the signal. Band locking allows you to manually select the specific frequency band your gateway uses. Access band lock settings via the T-Mobile app under Device, Network, Band Lock. For wider rural coverage, lock to band N71, 600 MHz. In urban areas, prioritize bands N41, 2.5 GHz, or Mi-Wave N260 for high-speed bursts. Experiment with different bands to find the one that provides the most stable and fastest connection in your specific location. If you experience speed drops during storms or congestion, manually locking to a more stable band like N71 can improve performance. Remember that T-Mobile's app provides real-time data on signal strength and band data to assist in your optimization efforts.